Hey, today I want to make my dinner. Linguine pasta, seafood, shrimp, and we call asari. It's a shortneckclam and moo, it's a mussel. Erengi mushroom slice and a little bit tomato sauce. It's basic. It's a garlic and chili and anchovy paste. Okay, let's start cooking. So today I don't have enough time because I had scheduled. That's why I'm just using one camera shooting my movie tonight. Okay, linguine. So takes about maybe 7 minutes making hard al dente. Garlic and chili and a little bit anchovy paste. Good item, good flavor coming out. Olive oil. Then turn on the switch, high flame. Okay, this is the frozen shortneckclam. Do this white wine. And very mushroom. Tomato and shrimp. I will see freezer. Okay, keeping up, serving plate, keeping hot. Olive oil. Secret season. Naampur a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, done. Okay, very easy to make a Pescatore Rosso. いただきます。Delicious. So good. I like shrimp and good flavor come from shortneckclam, asari. So, thank you for watching my channel. If you like a Pescatore Rosso, very easy to make. I'm just show you how to make it. Please try it. Thank you for watching my channel. See you again next time in my kitchen. Bye. Have a nice pasta. Yummy.